It's a 2017 Ford Taurus. Not many vehicles are as well-rounded as this Taurus. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.